Hi, I'm Holly, and today we're doing a field trip at Blue Springs State Park here in Orange City, Florida. Blue Springs is famous across the world, and it's known for its manatee that come here during the winter. They come up the St. Johns River into the natural spring to the warmer waters. Join us today and let's see how many manatees we can find.
Don't know that they have them at the zoo. Oh, no.
They're only in Florida.
And they're usually here on Disney St. Islands, and I know they're over by homeschooling. I don't know where else. You never really saw them down by.
I think it's pretty old. The sun's coming out.
Yeah, I see that.
So compared to they moved over.
It's 25 after 9.
I don't know. I mean,
We stayed with our mothers for about 2 years.
Manatees can reach up to 13 feet in length and weigh up to 3,000 pounds.
they're all headed out. Look at that.
Look at the little tiny baby.
Why do you think they're headed out in such a big hurry?
Manatees can be found in the coastal waters from Virginia down to the Gulf of Mexico. They gather in natural springs like here at Blue Springs, where the temperature is a constant 72 degrees.
Manatees are herbivores, meaning they mainly eat grass. They spend 6 to 8 hours each day eating.
Flooded the tunnel system.
Thanks for joining us today at Blue Springs State Park in Orange City, Florida. We hope you've enjoyed seeing the beautiful manatees here that come off of the St. Johns River. If you're ever in Florida, this is one beautiful place to visit. One of the gems that we get to enjoy all the time here in the state of Florida.